So it is Monday, like 7:46 a.m. Strategy for today, for the new week, is do as many trips as possible. All right, 30, trips or more. That'd be kind of nice. 30 trips or more for Monday, but that's Monday strategy. So I got my sneakers on because I'm gonna be running around today. Let's make this money. It is 6:59 or 7 p.m. and I made a total of 327. Damn it, go in there. I had to finish early. Man, I have like this lower abdominal pain that's killing me right now. All right, so that's it for today. I'm gonna take a long rest today, and tomorrow see how much money we make. 4 o'clock in the morning. All right, so it is 6:15 or something a.m. All right, I'm doing laundry. So I did wake up at 4, but I'm doing laundry. I can't get back to work because I gotta take the daughter to school. So, and she doesn't get in until about 7:40. That's how I end up starting at about 8. So I can't really wake up, get to work at 4 because this whole entire week she's gonna be staying with me until until she can stay back with her mother. But I am waking up at 4. But so I took advantage, and I'm getting some things done. So right now, doing laundry. All right, I'll see you at about 8 a.m. Let's make this money. It is 1:50 p.m. and I'm at a total of 154, I think. I did wake up at 4, but I had to do laundry and stuff. So my day really started at about 8 o'clock. So I only been up for a little bit. I mean, working for a little bit. But 154 for today. Let's keep it going. Let's make this money. All right, so it is 7:27 a.m. Wednesday, Tuesday. I finished the day off at about 8:30, making only $288. So strategy for today is Monday. I wasn't able to make my 30. But I ended up making it on Tuesday because Monday I was really tired. So I did it on Tuesday, and here comes Wednesday. We're finishing up all the bonuses, and this is how everything adds up to it to be a pretty good day. So today I'm gonna work it, and watch. Today it's gonna be it should be an over $300 day. So let's make this money. I finished the day off at it's like 8 p.m. or 7:50 something, and I made a total of 312. Toyo's gonna make over 300. All right, so that's it for Wednesday. Let's see how much we make for Thursday. All right, let's keep making this money. All right, so it is 7:40 in the morning. It is Thursday. See, I keep forgetting my days because I do wake up at 4 to do some work, and then I gotta take the kids to school, and so that takes a lot of time. Anyway, 7:40 in the morning. Let's make this money. All right, so it is 1:39 p.m. and I'm at a total of 190 something. All right, it's pretty good. And it's a Thursday, and I've only finished, half my day. So let's keep it going. Let's see how much I'm gonna make for the rest of the day. Let's make this money. So, all right, 8:38 p.m. and I finished the day making $298. So it was a pretty good day today. Strategy today was just taking it easy and all that stuff. So let's keep it going. Tomorrow will be Friday, so let's see how much we're in for Friday. It is 7:45 in the morning, and today's strategy is basically the beginning of the bonus for the weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So what we're gonna do is today we're gonna do as many trips as possible. So deliveries, pickups, anything. 30. If I can make those those trips today, then I'll probably end up doing them tomorrow. But depends how today goes. But today, as many deliveries as possible to get as many trips. Let's make this money. All right, so finished at 8:43, I think, with a total of 269, and I think it was only like 23 trips. All right, it was a good night. Let's finish it off tomorrow. we're trying to catch up these bonuses as much as fast as I can. So this way my Sunday becomes very easy and profitable. So let's keep making this money. It is 5:42 in the morning. It's Saturday. Let's make this money. Wow, today I'm feeling really good. I kind of changed. I got this drink on top of my freshly meals. So the drink is like a lot of vitamin C. So it's been helping me out a lot. So here I am. I'm up. Let's make this money. All right, so it's 11:05 a.m. and I made a total of like 145. I think that's what it is. All right, so it's been a good day. It's Saturday, so all right, let's keep it going. Let's keep making this money. So it is 8:07 p.m. and I exhausted my 12 hours. I made a total of $389. All right, tomorrow's gonna be a really good day. So $389. I finished at 8 o'clock and I haven't hit any of the promo. So this is what happened. So I did 30 rides today. I did like 15 yesterday. I forgot. I don't know what I did yesterday. But the strategy is gonna go like this, which is basically like today was basically do as many trips as possible because yesterday I couldn't do it. So I ended up doing it today, 30 trips, and then tomorrow, which is only like I think I'm a total of a 54 or something like that, whatever. And then tomorrow I'm gonna finish my whole entire day. All right, and then I'm gonna hit my promos. All right, plus once I hit my promo on top of whatever I make for the day, then that's gonna depict how much money I make for the day. So tomorrow's gonna be an easy $300 day plus. It has to be. All right, and yeah, just watch Sunday. Watch this. Watch me make this money. 6:16 in the morning, and I am dressed for Christmas. Look, all red. Oh yeah, for the occasion. All right, last week of Christmas. This is gonna be the last Sunday for this week. Let's make this money. So I finished the day off today at about 2:39 p.m. and I made a total of $379 for Sunday. All right, it was only 17 trips and I made a total of $2,289. That puts me at an average of, with the hours that I worked this week, I think it was like 37 or 36 an hour. So that's how we finished the week. All right, over $2,000. Let's keep making this money. Let's see how much we make next week. Tomorrow is Monday. The strategy always repeats itself again. Monday, we're gonna make as many trips as possible. So here we go again. Let's make this money.